Okay, we are going to start the elements of art today. The first element of art is line. Okay, and the definition of a line is a path of a moving point through space. Okay, we're going to create two different line designs today. The first one is going to be something like this that you see here on the table. This is called an expressive line design. Now this is going to be more creative. You're going to try to use as many different lines as you can think of. You can even draw little pictures, things like that. I also added in shapes. I added in writing. So basically you're just going to pick a corner and you're going to start off. So like I think I started down here. So I started with some zigzags and I just worked my way and filled up my entire paper. Okay, now I'm going to kind of show you how to do that. So you're going to start off with a sheet of paper that is 9 by 12. Okay, if you don't have anything, just use a regular size paper. You will also need a ruler. Now if you don't have a ruler, you can use anything with a straight edge. So that could be a piece of cardboard, it could be edge of a notebook, things like that. So just try to find a straight edge and use that. Now I'm going to use a Sharpie. It is a thin point Sharpie. You can use a pen, you can use a pencil, but that is up to you. Okay. So to start off with your expressive line design, like I said, you are going to start down in one of the corners. So that is up to you. And then you're just going to build up and come up with as many lines as possible. So use your imagination and use your ruler, especially if you're using straight lines. So you're going to start at the bottom right corner and you're going to build up with all kinds of different lines, as many lines as you can think of. Now if you're using straight lines in your design, please use a ruler or whatever straight edge you have. And take note, if you are using a pen of some sort, please do not push very hard on your paper or else it'll make a big blob of ink and make a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to keep building up, and then once I get tired of that, I'm going to add something else. So now I'm going to freehand it and go in and just make some bumps. And keep going. You can fill some in. You can make them fat, you can make them skinny. I'm going to make like a fire looking thing. You can even add in little shapes. All right, so you're going to do this up until you fill the entire paper up with lines.